Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So let's play a normal Sicilian, or maybe a bishop b5 Sicilian. A normal Sicilian. And bishop g5 f4. I'll take this one. Oh, is this already a mistake by me? If I let him have that.
Check.
This is really bad. Might be really bad. It doesn't look like an ordinary Sicilian. It looks pretty bad Sicilian at the moment. Oh well. Maybe I should know some theory. It's oh, okay. Knight b3. Bishop g2. Okay. To e1. Can I do this? Isn't if I get rook at h e1, I just want to try for an attack later. So I think maybe h4 to start off with, g4. a4, is that possible? g4 and then g5. Takes on c3. Play bishop d3 instead. Can I play bishop d3? I want to play g4 and g5. Do I get any chance to do that? This might be interesting. Might be. Operative word. Might be interesting. g5. Okay, I'm hoping. And it takes on a4. Is dismantling my g takes. I think there's going to be some. Has to be some piece sacrifices and stuff. G6 maybe. Trying to avoid him playing g6. It's queen e2, bishop e3, queen h5. Queen e2 here. Fg, bishop g6, bishop b3, queen h5. So I'll play queen h5. Alright, bishop g6 here. Bishop b3, queen h5. Not sure about this. Of course, I'm not sure about this. Bishop b3, queen h5 looks. I don't know, I might have something. Rook f6, queen h5. That looks less convincing. You can take, takes. Take here. Yeah, it looks nasty for my king. My king's going to slip away somehow. I don't know how. Then we've got rook g1, rook c7, f5, but f6. I don't know. I've got him thinking anyway. Okay. Take on h5 here. Then rook g1. Anything better? I can't see anything better. Oh, there's rook d5 as well. So rook g1. finally got him thinking, if that's worth anything. Rook f6. Isn't that going to be a pain, rook f6? With tempo. Why is it just playing that? Queen d3, maybe? a4, knight d4. Oh, he's letting me play rook g1 free of charge. Do I want to play it? I think so. So knight d4, rook c3. Well, there's f5, a takes, f takes, rook moves. Knight d4, a3, or rook c3. Knight e6 or queen e6. Actually, queen e6, I think it sold it on me. There might be something there. Queen e6. Alright, queen b2 for queen c3, right. Is there king d2 here? Rook c3, maybe king takes. I think king d2 for a moment. Forcing was queen f7's not handy. Is that rook b1, is that handy? Knight e6. Queen d3, rook g3. That's queen f4. Knight e6, queen c3. Knight c6 protects f4. Queen c3. That might not be too bad. Knight e6, queen c3. I'm not sure it's entirely without merit. Queen d3, queen f4. I'm falling to bits. There's queen g3 here. Queen g3. Hold on. Isn't there knight takes e6 threatened? Without my king being on the e file, it's quite nice. So protecting my bits here, c3 and f4. Knight e6, is that really on the cards?
Check.
There's rook g7 on knight e6 here.
Check.
Oh, okay.
Check.
Can I bring my king up? There's rook d5, hold on. Rook d5, rook
Check.
h5. If I get the chance. Where does my king want to be? Maybe on the f file because he's got no rook f8. Oh, he's queening. As I get rook d5, is that dangerous? Check. Patch will check at least. Or not. I'll find out.
Check.
Right, I'll try and avoid the checks here. Alright, can I get behind this pawn before this queen's? Oh no. That was dumb. Oh no. Oh, it's rook f. Oh man. What have I done?
Check.
Oh, what a mess.
Check. Check. Time warning. Check. Checkmate.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, it was interesting anyway. I don't know. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, it was complicated. That's probably why is that ring. What have I done wrong in the opening? Oh, I shouldn't be allowing 94 shorty. No, I think I've got to take. Wait a second. Wait a second. Now, I don't know the theory of this. Let's just have a look at this. Bishop takes. Knight takes. Bishop c7. This position. That's probably better than the game. So his knight moves. I'll take here. This is okay, isn't it? I should have done that. Or bishop takes f6. Yeah, the way I played it is a bit nonsense, isn't it?
Check.
Well, I thought I was getting something later. Was I? E3,
Check. Check.
It's still better all the way. Oh, draw with
Check.
rook g7. Oh, there's rook d5. Yes, immediately. What does he do?
Check. Check.
Yes, doesn't
Check.
seem that bad for me.
Check.
Oh, this is real killing, isn't it now?
Check.
Knight c6, yeah, trying to stop the pawn. But what else? He's murdered me here with this a pawn. Yeah, it's pretty gotten here.
Check.
I think this a pawn's just going to win.
Check.
Yeah, there's a tense one anyway. Okay, yeah. Alright, tough cookie, Mr. Serlock. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.